Wait.
My name is Maddie, and this is my daddy named
Sergio.
And this is G.R.I.T.S. Last time it did not record, so that's why we have to do it again. So yeah.
They didn't know that.
Yeah. But
What are we playing? It's Kirby's Avalanche.
Kirby's Avalanche. I don't know.
Here we go.
Kirby's Avalanche.
It is me and Daddy. My name is Maddie. And my daddy is named Sergio.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna play. What's the name of this game, Maddie? What's it? Is it?
Donkey Kong.
No, it's not.
That was my brother's channel. Sorry.
Yeah, this game is Kirby's Avalanche. Okay?
Kirby's
Here.
Avalanche.
Here, take the controller.
What does it say?
Can we just walk together? The forest scares me. Sorry, rules are rules. Scoot back, scoot back, scoot back. Okay, this is going to be like a practice stage.
Okay.
So, go.
You know why I did that?
Maddie, you can make the piece go down faster. You don't have to put sound effects. It'll put those in automatically. Remember, you can press down and make the piece go down faster. See? Very good. Okay, what's the goal of the game? What are you trying to do?
You are trying to beat him
By doing what?
by matching these little puzzles.
Okay, matching all the colors. Okay. Okay.
Ta-da.
Oh, put it over there, put it over there, put it. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's actually good.
Why is it good?
Because now you can get rid of the green ones next time you have a green one.
Like a... Oh, I think I know something.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. Remember, you can make it go faster.
Okay, I remember. I'm just not doing it fast. Oh wait, I can put a blue one right there.
Yeah. But that's a yellow one. Where do you put that yellow one?
Oh gosh, come on over here, baby. Tricky one. I know it's not gonna look good.
Uh-oh. Okay, now where are you going to put that green one?
Right here.
Like, where are you going to put the yellow one? There you go! That was good. That was really good.
I make the sound though.
Okay, Maddie, but you have to pay attention because the game is still playing.
Why does they not get to see this stuff? They don't get to see it.
Who's they?
The people who are watching.
Yeah, they're going to get to see. Maddie, pay attention. They're going to get to see it. I'm recording it.
Oh yes.
Where are you going to put that blue one?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, there you go. Very good. Okay, it's yellow. What are you going to do with yellow? Good.
What am I gonna do with yellow?
Remember, you can make them go faster.
Yay.
So once you figure out where you want to put them, press down. See? That'll make you play faster. Where are you going to put that green? Oh, very good. Put it all the way in the hole. Okay, you got a blue. Make it turn around. Turn around! What? Why the sound effects, Maddie? You made two of them go!
No, that's one of my good ones.
Okay. Now you got a yellow and a blue. Where are you going to put the yellow and the blue?
Okay. Good.
Oh, that was a good spot. That was a good spot. You can rotate it.
Oh,
yeah. Almost.
kind of good.
It was okay. Red. Okay, that's good. Now you have 2 yellows. So where are you going to put those?
Right here.
Very good. Okay, it's green and it's blue. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
I don't know. I just dropped the green right here.
Now you have green and yellow. What do you do?
That's all I can do. I don't know
That wasn't bad. Ooh. Whoa! What did he do to you?
You Rudy. Yeah, of course I lost because of you. You little. Put some.
What did you
scratch
do to? What did he do to you? Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. You ready?
on
Okay, that's it.
it.
Game
Cry
over.
emoji.
Okay, I think you can do it. Here.
Okay.
Remember, you gotta work fast. You gotta work fast.
You're just do that.
But you also gotta pay attention.
God. No.
Yeah, there you go. That's good.
I've not seen purple in a long time. Where has purple been?
Yeah, very good. Okay, purple and green. What do you do with purple and green?
Oh gosh, this is hard. This is hard stitching. I don't know what I.
Oh, wait, blue. Yeah, that's good. Right there, down. No, don't, no. But the red would have fallen and gotten down here with this red one. If you left it how it was.
Okay.
Blue.
That's all I was gonna do.
Okay, now what about red and purple? Where do you have red and purple? Okay, blue and red.
Oh. But I don't know how
Good
I
job.
would do that.
Okay.
Yeah, I put red there.
Oh no!
Wait, that's something though. I still win. It's something that I will win with.
Where you put the green? Where are you gonna put that green?
Right here. Rocking.
Okay.
I'll put one on the other side.
Oh, that's perfect.
I didn't even know that red was here actually. Oh, I know when. Yes, let's do it now.
Oh, look at that! Good job.
I'm better. I'm better than you.
There's purple and there's red.
Oh gosh. Ooh.
Well,
Well, I did
You
get
did it.
kicked him out of town, so.
look how many you dropped on him.
Ooh, haha.
It's about to be a bunch.
Okay, really?
Ooh!
I'm not really ready. Hey, we're getting ready for
Yeah,
this
you're-
sponsor.
Oh no!
Oh, but I still can win with him.
Well, hurry up! You don't want him to. You don't want him to catch up to you.
He's not really catching up at all. He has some bad. He's bad.
Yeah, he's a
not
bad guy. He's a Waddle Dee. Waddle Dees are bad guys.
Okay.
Okay, purple. Where's purple? Maddie, press the down button. Stop dancing and play the game.
I can dance and
Okay? You're trying to beat the Waddle Dee guy, and you just dancing around is not going to get him beat. Oh, see, he's coming back. Where do you put that green? And where do you put that red?
Oh God! Oh.
Well, that's close. Oh, you can get both of them. You get both of them.
God!
Oh, wait, you can still get it. Get that red. Put the red on top of the red.
I don't really care.
There. Yeah. And now you're gonna get the purple too. Watch.
Why did you have to do that again?
Because Because you're taking your time. You gotta see how fast he's working over there? Okay, you want to put blue down in that hole. Or that. Oh!
I'm too bad.
Flip it over, flip it over! Uh-oh. Yes, you do.
I forgot.
No, you didn't. Okay, put it in that hole. Yeah! Oh, that was really good, Maddie.
That's smooth.
Look at how many you dropped on him.
I don't care if that's the win.
Hurry. You gotta hurry up and keep dropping stuff on him. That way you beat him.
Oh, but I can move.
But you gotta pay attention. He's trying to come back. Oh no, where are you going?
Oh my gosh.
Where are you going?
Of course you're gonna trap me because you think I'm too
Purple, with the purple.
Oh, purple.
Very good, very good. Now you have green. Where are you gonna put it? Pay attention, Maddie. Where are you gonna put it? Purple, purple, purple! Very good.
Yeah, you gotta be winning.
Green, bring it with the green.
Oh my god. Too hot.
Okay, green, you got another chance. Keep concentrating. You almost got him, you almost got him. Don't pay attention to him, pay attention to your board. Okay, you're doing good. Put the red on the red. Oh, green on green, green on green! Green on green, green on green. Very good. Yeah, right there, right there. That's good. You got there. Not in that hole. Put red in that hole. Put red in that hole. Yes. Oh, I think you got him. Oh, he got lucky. He got lucky. Keep going. Keep going. Green.
Oh gosh. Oh, I don't know where to put green. Well,
Blue. Put the blue over there. See the blue?
oh gosh. Oh, I could have put it.
You win!
How did I win?
You won!
Oh,
You see?
he's mad?
He's mad at you because you beat him.
He's like,
Well, that's it. That's it. You won.
hey,
There's another
hey.
level, but that's the end of Breach Plays.
You got mini dap, you got mini dap, you got mini dap. Oh, mini dap, dap, mini dap. Dap.
Thanks for watching Breach Plays.
Peace out.